We're the Avengers. We can bust arms dealers all the livelong day, but that up there, that's the Endgame. How are you guys planning on beating that?
Together.
Oh, yes. Tony, alive and otherwise, that what we needed was a pseudo-armor around the world. Remember that? Whether it impacted our precious freedoms or not. That's what we needed.
Well, that didn't work out, did it?
I said we'd lose. We'll lose. You said
We'll do that together, too.
And we'll do that together, too.
Did we just lose?
why would you do that?
We're in the end game now.
And guess what, Cap? We lost. You weren't there.